Hey guys, welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Today we are going to make Ghana salad. This salad is packed with goodness. It is rich and it's absolutely delicious. So stay with me and let's get started on this recipe. For the Ghana salad, you are going to need some tomatoes, lettuce, cucumber, carrot, sardine, corned beef, red onions, boiled eggs, and some baked beans. And this is a picture of all the ingredients. Now guys, time to literally assemble this Ghana salad. And this salad is very simple to make. As long as you have all your ingredients prepped, all you're doing is literally layering everything. Guys, this recipe is so simple to make and it's so delicious. As you can see, I have started with the lettuce. I also added the diced carrots. I've just added the diced fresh tomatoes. I'm now adding the red onions, and then I will also go ahead and add the diced cucumber, followed by the corned beef, followed by the sardine, then followed by the baked beans, and then I will go ahead and top it off with the sliced boiled eggs, and then I'll go ahead and add my condiment, which is the salad cream and tomato ketchup. Guys, this salad, as I said, and I'm going to keep saying it, you don't have to do much. Just prep your ingredients and go ahead and layer everything. So once I have completed the first layer, I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps with the second layer, and just follow the video and you will see exactly what I am doing when it comes to layering all the ingredients. And as you can see, I have finished layering the first half of this Ghana salad. So I've just topped it with salad cream, and now I'm going to add tomato ketchup. And all I'm going to do is literally repeat the layering process using the rest of the ingredients. And guys, I am done with my layering, so all I'm going to do is finish off with my tomato ketchup and of course the salad cream, and this Ghana salad is ready to go. If you have not made Ghana salad before, oh my goodness, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make it and definitely enjoy it. You can have this with jollof rice, you can have it with plain rice and stew, you can even make this into a sandwich, just fill your bread with this Ghana salad and it's just good to go. Thank you so much for joining me. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly please click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and also share this video. And of course, comments below. I'm going to place this in the refrigerator and just enjoy it as and when. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.